From the moment you fasten your seatbelt and feel the push of the engines, you are placing your trust in a machine assembled from millions of individual stories of ingenuity and technological might. The journey of a Boeing airplane is an epic saga of raw materials, robotic precision, and logistical ballet that unfolds across some of the most secure and sprawling factories on the planet. The genesis of a Boeing jetliner starts far from the final assembly line. In places like the Boeing facility in Everett, Washington, a building so vast it has its own weather system, the scale of production is almost incomprehensible. The process begins with colossal rolls of aluminum sheet metal and huge lengths of carbon fiber composite material. The aluminum arrives in massive sheets and ingots, destined to become fuselage sections and wing skins. The composite materials arrive in rolls of pre-impregnated fabric called prepreg, which is imbued with resin that will later be cured in gigantic ovens called autoclaves to create structures stronger and lighter than traditional metals. The transformation begins in a frenzy of automated precision. Giant multi-axis CNC routers, guided by digital blueprints accurate to the width of a human hair, carve intricate shapes out of solid aluminum. In a shower of cooling fluid and curling metal shavings, a wing spar, the internal backbone of the wing, is machined from a single massive piece of metal. This process, once done by hand over weeks, now happens in hours. Simultaneously, in the composites facility, layers of carbon fiber fabric are meticulously placed by robotic arms onto massive molds shaped like fuselage sections. This automated tape-laying process is hypnotic to watch. A machine moves back and forth, laying down strip after strip of black carbon fiber at exactly the correct angle to handle the immense stresses of flight. Once the layup is complete, the entire mold is vacuum sealed and wheeled into an autoclave, a massive pressurized oven, where it is baked under intense heat and pressure, fusing the layers into a single solid piece of airframe. Once these individual pieces are born, they embark on a carefully choreographed journey toward the final assembly line. Components are not all made in one place. Vertical fins arrive from one supplier, landing gear from another, and engines from either GE, Rolls-Royce, or Pratt & Whitney. The main fuselage sections arrive by rail, by sea, or inside the cavernous hold of the Boeing Dreamlifter. This modified 747 cargo plane, with its bulbous, misshapen fuselage, is a sight to behold, its sole purpose being to ferry massive sections of aircraft from subcontractors to the final assembly point. A complete nose section sits on a specialized trailer, looking like a creature that has just been born. It is gently maneuvered into the factory, where it will be united with its other halves. The final assembly line is a study in controlled chaos and elegant efficiency. For larger aircraft like the 777 or the 787 Dreamliner, the process is a precise stationary build, where the aircraft remains in a fixed position while tooling, parts, and teams of specialists swarm around it. In the Everett factory, you can witness multiple wide-body jets in various stages of completion, their skeletal frames illuminated by the vast, diffuse light filtering through the roof panels. The air is filled with the whine of hydraulic lifts, the chatter of rivet guns, and the beeping of innumerable vehicles. Teams of mechanics begin installing the thousands of miles of wiring that form the aircraft's nervous system. Hydraulic lines are snaked through the wings and fuselage, ready to power the flight controls. The true magic lies in the invisible choreography between human and machine. While human hands are still essential for the intricate work of wiring and interior installation, the heavy lifting and precision alignment are the domain of colossal robots. One of the most remarkable spectacles is the joining of the fuselage sections. For aircraft made from composite materials, such as the 787, this is done using a process so precise it borders on the supernatural. The two massive fuselage barrels, each the size of a subway tunnel, are moved into position. Then a laser-guided positioning system takes over. Lasers scan the surfaces and edges of both sections, creating a three-dimensional map of their exact orientation. This data is fed to a computer that controls the huge tooling cradles holding the fuselage pieces. Silently, almost imperceptibly, the cradles shift and adjust, moving the multi-ton sections until they are perfectly aligned, with a gap tolerance measured in thousandths of an inch. Only when the computers are satisfied is the join made, with hundreds of titanium bolts installed by automated drills that know precisely where to go and when to stop. Beyond these giant positioning systems, a host of other automated machines work in the shadows. There are autonomous robotic carts that silently navigate the factory floor, delivering pallets of fasteners and parts directly to mechanics, eliminating wasted time and human error in logistics. In the wing assembly area, specialized robots crawl along the inside of the wing structure, drilling thousands of holes for rivets with perfect accuracy. These machines are equipped with sensors that can detect subtle changes in the material's thickness or hardness, adjusting their drilling speed and pressure in real time to ensure a flawless hole every time. The data from every hole drilled, every fastener installed, and every torque applied is logged into a permanent digital record for that specific aircraft. If a bolt on a wing spar needs to be inspected 10 years from now, a mechanic can pull up the exact moment it was installed and the precise force used to secure it. But with such extreme complexity comes the potential for catastrophic failure. The margin for error in aerospace is zero. A single misaligned hole, a faulty sensor, or a microscopic crack can have consequences measured in lost lives and billions of dollars. Consider the expense of a mistake during the drilling of a wing spar. If a robotic drill malfunctions and creates a hole in the wrong position, the entire multi-million-dollar spar could be compromised. Often, such a critical structural component must be scrapped. The cost of that scrap is not just the value of the part itself, but the delay it introduces to the entire production schedule, cascading through the supply chain and potentially delaying delivery to a customer, incurring penalty fees that can reach tens of thousands of dollars per day. This is why the quality control and error detection systems are so incredibly sophisticated. Every robotic arm is equipped with vision systems that constantly check its work. After a hole is drilled, a camera inspects its diameter and surface finish. After a fastener is installed, a sensor measures its flushness with the skin to ensure it will not create aerodynamic drag. In the composites facility, before a fuselage barrel is even cured, it is scanned using automated ultrasonic testing equipment. A robotic arm passes a probe over the entire surface of the uncured layup. The probe sends sound waves into the material, and the echoes reveal any hidden flaws. A tiny pocket of air between the layers, a piece of foreign debris, or an area where the resin did not flow correctly. If the ultrasound detects a delamination or a void, the software pinpoints its exact location. Later, during final assembly, the entire aircraft is subjected to a series of grueling tests. The fuselage is essentially turned into a giant pressure vessel pumped full of air until the pressure inside is far greater than it would ever experience at cruising altitude. This is the high blow test, and the structure groans and creaks as it flexes under the stress, while thousands of sensors monitor its behavior. Simultaneously, the aircraft's systems are powered up. The landing gear is cycled up and down dozens of times. The flight control surfaces are moved through their full range of motion while engineers check for any irregularity. The electrical systems are tested to failure, even with generators being pushed to their limits to ensure redundancy systems work flawlessly. The financial risk is staggering. A single wide-body aircraft represents an investment of hundreds of millions of dollars. The tooling required to build it costs billions to develop and install. This is why digital modeling and simulation are so critical. Engineers create a complete virtual model of the aircraft, down to the last washer. They run simulations of the assembly process, identifying potential clashes between tools and structure. They model the stresses of flight on every single component, optimizing the design for weight and strength. Only when the digital twin is perfect does production begin. Behind the scenes, hidden from the public eye, are processes that are as ingenious as they are proprietary. In some facilities, there are tunnels running beneath the factory floor, through which a constant stream of parts and sub-assemblies flows on automated conveyors, unseen by the mechanics working above. This keeps the main assembly area clear of clutter and ensures steady, just-in-time delivery. Another hidden secret is the use of augmented reality glasses for mechanics. When a mechanic looks at a wire bundle inside the fuselage, the glasses can project a digital overlay onto their field of vision, showing them exactly where each wire should connect, virtually eliminating wiring errors. The role of AI monitoring is another layer of hidden efficiency. Thousands of sensors track the health of robotic machinery, predicting when a drill bit is about to wear out or a motor is starting to vibrate abnormally. This predictive maintenance allows the factory to replace components during scheduled downtime, rather than suffering catastrophic, unplanned production halts. The AI also analyzes workflow, identifying bottlenecks and automatically rerouting work to keep the entire production ecosystem in balance. As structural assembly nears completion, the aircraft enters the furnishing phase. Teams of installers fit the galleys, lavatories, and overhead bins. The seats are permanently installed row by row, creating the familiar passenger cabin. The galleys must slide into place with millimeter accuracy. The water lines for lavatories must connect perfectly to the plumbing system. Every entertainment screen and audio jack must be tested and functional. One of the most critical finishing processes is painting. The paint on a commercial airliner can weigh hundreds of pounds. First, the entire aircraft is meticulously masked, covering every window and sensor. Then painters apply an anti-corrosive primer, followed by the main livery with the airline's logo. The paint is applied using electrostatic charges that help it bond to the surface and reduce waste. The entire process can take a week and requires perfectly controlled climate conditions. Before delivery, the aircraft must pass its final flight test. The new plane is towed out of the factory into daylight for the first time. Pilots intentionally shut down an engine to see how the aircraft handles. They test the autopilot, stall warning systems, and pressurization. They fly to the edge of the performance envelope, ensuring it behaves exactly as computer models predicted. Once the flight test is complete and minor issues are fixed, the aircraft is cleaned, polished, and prepared for its new owner. At the handover ceremony, airline executives inspect the cabin, accept the keys, and the aircraft is officially delivered. Looking back at the journey from a roll of aluminum to this gleaming machine, the scale of the achievement is staggering. It is a story of risk managed down to the microscopic level, of failures prevented by layers of technology and human oversight, and of hidden automation working tirelessly in the background. The cost of a single mistake is so high that the entire process is designed to make mistakes nearly impossible. From self-correcting robots to AI monitoring, every element is focused on a single outcome, a perfect airworthy machine. As you sit in your seat on your next flight, remember the invisible odyssey that brought that moment into being. Think of the vast factories, the silent ballet of robotic arms, the precise dance of laser alignment, and the thousands of people who placed their signature on that aircraft. If creating a single airplane is this complex, what does it take to keep thousands of them flying safely for decades? In our next exploration, we will enter the world of mega hangars, where these giants go for their second act, stripped down to their bones, inspected and reborn, ready to fly for another quarter century.